Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making sure your iPhone or Apple Watch is ready and that your card is verified. This is why you add a card and wallet now. Once added, make sure Face ID, Touch ID, or a passcode is active so you can authenticate quickly. When you're in the store, wake your device or double-click the side button on your watch to bring up the selected card. That first actionable step gets you from setup to payment in seconds. Once done, position the device close to the terminal's contactless symbol. You'll often feel a haptic tap or hear a beep when it connects. If Face ID or Touch ID is required, authenticate promptly, otherwise enter your passcode. Make sure to switch cards and wallet before presenting if you need a different one. Doing it after the terminal reads your device can delay the transaction. Wait for the confirmation screen, or green check, and the merchant prompt before moving your device away. Finish by following the terminal prompts, add a tip or select receipt options, and keep the digital receipt if offered. For Apple Watch, double-click the side button and present the watch face to the reader until you see the green check. If something goes wrong, first verify your card status in wallet and that NFC is enabled. Restart the device and try again. If failures persist, contact your bank to confirm card activation or restrictions. That single troubleshooting step often resolves blocked transactions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.